Hi there, welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, we'll show you how to set up and customize the Quick Order List section. The Quick Order List allows customers to quickly add product variants to their cart through a simple, easy-to-use list. This makes shopping faster, smoother, and more efficient, especially for bulk or repeat purchases. Let's get started. Accessing the section. To access the Quick Order List section, start by opening your customized Debutify theme. Next, navigate to the product page, then open the template and locate the Quick Order List section. To enable or disable this feature, go to Theme Settings, then open Enterprise Widgets. Once enabled, return to the product page template and select the Quick Order List section. To add it, click Add Section. Search for Quick Order List and select it. After adding the section, you'll be able to customize all available settings. Enable product images to display thumbnail visuals for each item, helping customers quickly identify products. Disable this option for a cleaner, more compact list view. Enable SKUs to show product codes, which is especially useful for wholesale or inventory-based shopping. Disable this if you prefer a simpler, more customer-friendly layout without technical details. Match the Quick Order List section to your store's branding with color schemes, including light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background, or custom. Create your own color palette for full control over the section's appearance. Adjust top padding to control the space above the section content. Choose from Inherit, None, Small, Medium, Large, or Custom. If you select Custom, you can manually set a value between 0 pixels and 100 pixels. Similarly, bottom padding lets you control the space below the section using the same preset or custom options. And that's it. Your Quick Order List section is now ready to go. If you need any help, feel free to contact the Debutify support team. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for watching and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.